Chhattisgarh's Bastar, once known for Naxal violence, is now redefining itself through art, culture and creativity. Where gunfire once echoed, the rhythmic sound of chisels and hammers now shapes a new chapter of hope and resilience. DD India's Somesh Patel reports from Bastar.
For nearly 4 decades, Bastar remained trapped in the flames of conflict. The shadow of left-wing extremism limited its identity to violence and unrest. But the true identity of Bastar lies deep within its soil, a land where almost every household nurtures an artist and every village is a home to a craftsman. In the dense forests of Bastar, timber like teak, sal and bija is not merely wood. In the hands of skilled artisans, it transforms into living expressions of culture. For generations, tribal craftsmen have been carving deities, tribal life, wildlife and folklore into wood, preserving their heritage through art. The biggest strength of Bastar's wooden art is its natural simplicity. Chemical colors are rarely used in this art. The natural grain, texture and fragrance of the wood define its authenticity. Idols of tribal deities, traditional masks, decorative wall panels, intricately carved wildlife figures. Each creation reflects the vibrant cultural heritage of Bastar in its purest form. Several artisans from Bastar have taken this traditional craft to national platforms. Craftsmen Ramnath Kashyap and Dashrath Kashyap say there was a time when people were afraid of the name Bastar. But today, the same people admire Bastar's art. Bastar is gradually transforming. Their wooden artworks are now being sent to cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Jaipur and Bengaluru.
यहाँ की मूर्तियाँ दिल्ली, बॉम्बे, बेंगलुरु, विदेश भी जाता है। कला को जीवित रखने का काम सिखाने का प्रयास करते हैं सर।
Bastar's wooden art is not just carving on wood. It is the story of transformation taking shape on this land. Where once the sound of guns echoed, today the rhythm of chisel and hammer resonates. This change is not merely about identity. It symbolizes dignity, self-reliance and cultural resurgence. Somesh Patel's report for DD India.